killer headache when squatting. Okay, last 2 times I've squatted, end up with a terrible headache. What's happening? Well, you're dying. I'm just kidding. Definitely not. But the thing about headaches when squatting, usually this is from people breathing improperly, or it could be dehydration, or it could be a nutrition thing as well. So make sure you are eating enough. If you're somebody who's in a calorie deficit, you just might have headaches all the time because you're cutting too many calories. Dehydration, super big. If you're not drinking enough fluids, or at least eating enough foods that have a lot of water in them, yeah, you are not going to be feeling good and will probably get a headache before you even start squatting. Breathing, this is really where the magic happens, because if you think about it, when you breathe and you're holding your breath on a really heavy exercise like squats, you are holding all of that pressure usually through your body, but specifically in your head. So if that doesn't get released every time you say you hold your breath, go down, come up, and then you exhale, if you're not doing that, you will literally just keep holding that pressure in your head. And anytime you have lots of pressure in your head, literally a physical headache. I'd recommend breathing more consistently. A lot of people will hold their breath when they go down on the squat. You might even just not even do that. Literally just breathe in. Breathe in as you go down. Breathe out as you go up. Breathe in as you go down. Breathe out as you go up. That's what I would recommend.